Alright, it's coming together. We got the official Phoenix head coming on. Welding it on. See, it's gonna look just like that picture. Wah, there it is, and wah, there it is.
That was awesome.
Ah, it's a real bird. It's really happening. Yay! Oh my god. Oh, that's bouncy.
Yeah. The bird is saying yes.
The bird is like, that's right.
It feels good. It feels good.
Feels good to be up there finally. I've been laying on the ground for a while, but now I found my head again. It's on the neck. Ryan and Sam going for it. Yeehaw! Looks like a real thing. Just wait till we fill that baby in. Wait till it really looks like a head. Good work, good work.
Well, thank you, darling.